Sometimes when things get tough at Camp Lakebottom, a kid just wants his mommy.
Yes! Phew, all done.
Nice, but it's blocking my sun. Can you move it a smidge? Thanks.
Behold the Magic Hamper Deluxe! The ultimate hamper camper!
You call that camping, buttsnot?
While you losers are picking sand out of your shorts, I'll be sleeping like a king.
Even kings can't avoid the flash sandstorms in the dunes of doom. The pharaoh King Tootin' lost his queen in the sandstorm, and he's been looking for her ever since.
Whoa, talk about obsessive boyfriends.
Lame! I'll tell you what's not lame. My amazing home theater with 20.1 surround sound. Later, bottom smellers.
Anyways, as I was saying... What'd I tell you? Flash sandstorms. Well, better get digging.
Anyone remember that being there yesterday? Cool!
Tootin' pyramid! It's been buried for over 1,000 years. So stay clear, campers.
Whoa! This place is crazy!
No. We're crazy to be in here.
This place reminds me of my grandma's basement. Only less damp and dirty.
Cool! Let's look around.
Hi, new bony pal. Hello. What? Did I miss something?
More like something just missed you.
Okay, before we explore, I gotta use a little boys' room.
You couldn't have thought of that before we left?
Whoa! Ah! I'm done!
My name is Boney Bill.
This place is creepy. Let's go exploring!
First you might want to explore the bottom of your shoe.
Ew! Yuck!
Woohoo!
A pyramid! And where there's a pyramid, there's treasure!
Whoa! Check it out, Egyptian comic strips!
They're hieroglyphics. That must be Tootin' queen.
Hey, she kind of looks like you, Gretchen.
Gretchen queen, as if. Oh, wait, now I see the resemblance.
You should have seen the look on your faces, bottom screamers.
Butt squat.
So where's the treasure in this dump?
Yeah, nice try, butt splurt.
Wasn't me, McGee.
Some kind of secret switch.
You mean like this?
Good one, Squirt. He's King Tootin'
I'm out. Hey, hands off!
My queen.
Whoa!
Queen Tootin'
Keep the flowers, you freeze-dried freak.
My queen, as always, you leave me dizzy.
Wow, you're kind of cute for a dead guy.
Now that we are reunited, we shall be together forever. Your throne, my queen.
Ow! Okay. Cool. Does it come with a crown? Because I'm liking all this so far.
Isn't it great? Gretchen's really a queen.
Ooh, thrilling. All hail Queen Gretch.
Feeling a distinct lack of fanning here.
Come, let me show you the rest of your palace.
Hey, what's going on out there?
King Tootenpoop thinks Gretchen's his queen and she's gone all dopey for him.
Just like in the Egyptian comics. But how come she's being wrapped in bandages in that panel?
Because Tootenfart wants to turn Gretchen into a mummy!
Now can you get me out of here?
What was that?
Your friends wanted to go exploring.
Without me? That's so not cool.
I will never abandon you, like ever.
Free treasure! Free treasure! It's mine! All mine! Stamped it, double locked it, no erases!
Who cares? We gotta stop Tootenbert before he shrink wraps Gretchen forever!
Oh, she's a queen. She's fine. Ooh, come to Butty.
No! It could be a trap!
Ooh, McGoofball was afraid of an itty-bitty bug.
Shh! I got this. Ta-da!
Guys, there's an opening!
Butthead, go!
Lean!
Help! Snakes are after my treasure! About time! My treasure!
Listen, Toot, this is great and all, but I better go find the guys.
My queen, you cannot leave. It is time for your coronation.
About time a crown showed up. Susie's gonna be so jealous.
And now you will be mummified so we can be together, like forever.
Cool. Wait, what? No way, Bandage Boy! Your queen is calling in quits!
Let me out of here! Ah! Not again! What's with all the urns?
Back off, dust magnets! Gauze isn't my look!
I'll never enjoy fancy pottery again!
Gretchen! Tootenkoff's trying to turn you into a mummy!
You think?
McGee! Catch! Ha! Don't know what Gretchen's sign, you. Come on, Gretch! We need a karate queen!
You and I have a date with destruction!
Wouldn't want to be in your bandages.
Okay, how about ouch! Guys?
You will be my queen until the end of time!
Sorry, King Snooty Tooty, you're going back in the box!
Oh, feels like a good time to go.
Right behind you!
My treasure!
Look!
Somebody do something!
Who's up for sand sledding?
And that, campers, is the story of why you shouldn't go into that pyramid.
Great story, Sawyer. And you're totally right. You okay, Gretch?
King Tootin' sure knew how to treat a girl. Except for the whole seal me in a tomb for eternity thing.
I'll take that! King Butt rules! Anyone see where I parked my camper?
That reminds me of the legend of the lost camper.
Dear Mom, took Slimey out for a run today. A run from the law. Watch this, guys!
Go McGee!
Yeah!
Those bottom losers are getting way too close to Sunny Smiles waters. It ends tonight. I hereby seize these buoys in the name of Camp Sunny Smiles. Hey, bottom freaks! Back on your side of the lake. You're dealing with the Butt Border Patrol now. That's it! You got an attitude problem, tentacle boy. Lucky I don't run you in. That's littering! Consider this a warning. You better obey my laws or you'll be in big trouble, fish stick. Well, that takes care of that. Huh? Whoa! You don't scare me, you freak from beneath. Mommy!
What do you mean it's not a porta potty? Morning, Slimey.
Morning, Slimey.
Yeah! Oh, Slimey, cut it out! Whoa, sweet hat.
Morning, campers! It's cleaning day! Whoa, this calls for super suction. This face has never been cleaner.
Time for a little reverse action. Maybe too much power for a vacuum, but not for a kick-butt flyboard! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Go Okay, who put this bad boy here?
Butt Patrol! Big Nimrod, you are officially trespassing in Sunny Smiles waters.
This is Lakebottom's swim area.
Yeah, butt snitch, you don't own the whole lake.
This fence says I do. Got you for trespassing, damaging property, and for public lameness. But I'll go easy on you this time. Just stay on your side, and we won't have a problem.
Oh, this side or this side? How about this side? This?
Don't make me lock you up, McGee! Huh? God! Keep that Slimeosaurus away from me! It tried to eat my boat this morning!
Whoa! Slimey doesn't eat junk food!
And then it stole my new hat!
Slimey, did you attack Officer Buttsplat's boat and steal his hat? Then you know what to do.
You've been warned. Next time I see that stinky leech, it's off to the slug pound. Slug pound!
Butt Squad asked for it. It's time to take our pranking to a whole new level, Slimey.
Maybe Slimey should stay away from Butt Squad for a couple of days.
Oh, relax. He's just having fun. The more fun Slimey has messing with Butt Squad, the better. So come on, Slimey. Let's get messing.
Butt Border Patrol report. No sign of the bottom sneakers and their mucusy accomplice, but it's only a matter of time. And if I see them in my waters, they're gonna get some of this! And this! And this!
Sharks?
Get away! Shoo!
Help!
Not funny, you guys! You could have gotten yourselves blasted! This thing is totally dangerous! Watch! That squid delinquent better watch out!
Actually, you better watch out.
Oh yeah, like I'm gonna fall for that.
Bullseye! Nice shot, Butt Smack!
This time that goon's got a date with the deep fryer. I showed that jumbo calamari who's boss.
Whoa, what's going on over at Camp Sun of Smiles?
Ah, Slimey's probably pranking butt wine and we're missing it. Come on! Save a wedgie for me, Slimey!
Call off your rabid squid!
Slimey?
No way!
See? Caught it red-handed! Red tentacles! You know what I mean!
Oh, I turned our lake monster into a monster lake monster! Easy, Slimey. You're taking it too far.
Slimey would never do something like that, right, McGee?
First the hat, then those dents, and only something real big could have done that to the dog.
I'll teach you by turning your slimy pal into a sushi dinner. Say sayonara, tentacle breath.
Get away, Slimey!
No!
Yes! That'll teach you to mess with the Butt Patrol.
I can't believe Slimey is guilty!
Guilty or not, no one's getting Slimey on my watch.
Ha! Even McGee knows you're guilty. Who called the elevator? You didn't tell me your slime thing is in a gang!
So it was an out-of-control rampaging lake monster. Just not our out-of-control rampaging lake monster.
Then that means...
Slimey is innocent!
Never doubted it for a second.
Of course you didn't, McGee.
Close where I can see them, crab breath. I don't need to see them that close. Whoa! Ow! Officer down!
Here, I'll distract that thing while you free Slimey.
Sorry I ever doubted you, Slimey. You forgive me? Thanks, pal. Now let's go kick some crab butt.
McGee, could use some help here.
Okay, Slimey, let's show King Crab who's boss! Yeah! Bad Krabby. Bad, bad, bad.
All right, Slimey!
What's happening?
That's way too quiet!
Slimy? Yeah, Slimy! Surf and turf that crusty crab! Slimy, Slimy!
Yeah, your mutant calamari saved the day and stuff, but it shouldn't be off its leash. Huh? Ah! Extreme obnoxiousness, unlicensed boomerang, being a butthead, as if...
You forgot trespassing on Camp Lakebottom's side of the lake!
Hey, put me down!
See ya, butt squid!
I will have revenge!
Yay, Slimy! Slimy, no more pranking! Until tomorrow!